Hey everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode we're talking about the Vivilux Rechargeable LED Task Lamp. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below and don't forget to click the little dinger button. This way you will get notifications every time I upload a video. The Vivilux Rechargeable LED Task Lamp was designed by Dave and Abby Reba of Harbor Sales. What's really cool is these folks are my neighbors. They're less than an hour away and we've met several times. In fact, they even had a chance to see my daughter ice skate. They're just really great people and talented and so clever to come up with such amazing light. In fact, I've done a review on a couple other of their products, so check it out over here. That way you can kind of compare yourself and see all the things that they do have to offer. Just like most of their things, it was created based on request. A lot of quilters and sewers that travel for sewing retreats and sewing weekends, they really wanted a small, portable, lightweight, rechargeable lamp that would work for them and make it affordable as well. So they had a huge request that they needed to make for the perfect customer and for the perfect price and everything. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Vivilux Rechargeable LED Task Lamp.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Everything is listed what's inside the box. And first thing I notice is of course the lamp. And then we've got the USB and the little extension cord that all plugs into it. The first thing I really noticed is that the lamp is really lightweight. So look at that, it's just super lightweight. And of course it's super flexible. You're just going to take the little extension connector and plug it into the power cord. This is sort of like the power cord that you have for your cell phone, which is really great and convenient. Just going to plug it into the lamp, and of course we can plug that into the wall. Now this is rechargeable, so that means after it has charged and been plugged in for a little while, it will be ready to go. It takes about 3 hours to charge this guy, and once it's charged, it'll last up to 25 hours. Because of the little power cord that it comes with, you can either plug it into the wall, a computer, and some sewing machines. This is true color, natural daylight, and it's going to be easy on the eyes, and it's 700 lumens bright. You'll notice there are 3 settings. See the little arrow? Just press the little light button. There you go, 1, 2, and 3. Now let's take a little closer look. You can touch it, and you can also just kind of run your finger along the little light button. Now this is a really great experiment to see these bright batik colors. Batiks can be really hard to see the color in your regular sewing room light, but when you have the LED, it really shows the color. Check it out. Especially this orange and yellow. Really, I definitely was glad I had this light to help me get the threads and everything matched and combined together. It even works great when you're working with different hardwares. Of course, you know, it's going to have the reflection of the light, but the color is what's great. Just check it out. I've zoomed in so that you can really see the color. This light is especially lightweight. It is the lightest weight on the market and super flexible. But look how lightweight it is. I mean, even my fingernail can hold it up. Now when you remove it from the wall unit and it's fully charged, it'll still have the same 3 settings. You just want to make sure that you turn it on. And when you're done with it, you want to make sure you turn it off. And it's great because you can take it anywhere. I mean, you can take it to a sewing retreat or in the other room so that you're not bothering your partner while you're reading. And it's nice to have the different levels, you know, 1, 2, and 3, because we don't want it the brightest all the time. Speaking of taking it in the other room and lightweight and using it to read, look, I can put it right on my book and it actually kind of just holds the book down, gives me the light that I need. And again, it's light, bright, and portable.
Pretty amazing, huh? It's like blows my mind out like of the water how Dave and Abby can get so much crammed into such a tiny device and it's still rechargeable and it's still lightweight. It just blows my mind. And you're probably wondering where you can get your very own light from. Well, you can walk into your local quilt shop, you can ask them if they have them in stock. If not, introduce them to the product. Let them know that you saw this really cool lamp and you want to get one for yourself. You can also go to their website. You can also go on a few other places online. Just remember, when you buy online, you are having to pay a little extra for shipping. Just something to keep in mind. And now you're probably wondering, how much does this lamp really retail for? Well, it retails for $29.99. And I don't want you to forget to subscribe below and be sure to like this video. And if you like social media, behind the scenes kind of stuff, be sure to follow me. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. You can find me everywhere at Sookie Designs. If you are on Facebook and you want to join my fan club, right over here we've got Sookie Designs fan club. I like to see my fans post pictures of the projects that they've finished. So it's just really fun. There's always somebody posting something like this one right here. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!
If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye!